Ed Sheehy has worked as an attorney in Montana for 34 years. Starting in private practice and ending up at the public defender's office, he has tried a wide range of civil and criminal cases.
Because of my belief in the law and belief in the justice system, I decided to do it.
Decided to run for the Montana Supreme Court.
Well, I am Ed Sheehy.
Justice James Nelson is retiring, and Sheehy has a vision for how the state's highest court needs to change.
It would be to get them back to not deciding cases based on almost their first impression, which is, here's the result we want to reach, now let's find the law to get there, which is not how this stuff is supposed to work.
Sheehy says he's committed to being fair, nonpartisan, and deciding cases on the basis of law.
All rise.
His opponent, Laurie McKinnon, is a district court judge in Choteau, covering 10,000 square miles. She worked as an attorney for 20 years prior to taking the bench.
First of all, I'm honest to a fault. And I will take that in my decision-making process. I'm absolutely committed, and have been as a district judge, to the people who have elected me. And I will be the same hard worker that I've been as a district judge on the Supreme Court.
She says her experience as a judge has taught her a lot about the rule of law.
The experience as a district judge, I think, is necessary to have that perspective on the Supreme Court. We currently don't have a justice on the Supreme Court with that trial judge experience.
Which is Sheehy's biggest criticism.
She says that she would bring the perspective of a district court judge to the court. Well, that's the major issue, because, as I said before, you have to set aside every perspective that you have. I mean, I don't go around saying I would bring the perspective of a lawyer that's tried so many cases. You have to decide a case on the basis of the law and the law only.
So, the big sign?
McKinnon says, unlike her opponent, who says he will recuse himself from any death penalty cases, she will hear any case which comes before the court.
I'm completely comfortable with the idea, and I've had to be this way for 6 years, of being neutral and nonpartisan. I've proven that I can be fair and impartial, and that I can be a good judge.
But how do we move the law forward?
Both Sheehy and McKinnon say sitting on the Montana Supreme Court is a high honor, and one that is taken very seriously. On the campaign trail, Marnay Banks, MTN News.